Hello dear students, today we'll continue lesson number 14, page number 87, subject verb agreement, and during the class we are going to discuss question number C, D and E. So I ask you to follow the instructions that I am going to give while discussing the question answers or maybe the exercises which are there. So let's begin with question number C. Here it says, okay, complete this passage with verbs that agree with the subject. So we need to fill up the blanks with the verbs that agree with the subject. So let's see the first one. When I, then there's be 20 years. So we shall write, when I was 20 years old. So let's write, when I was 20 years old. Let us now move on to the next one. I dash have, I dash within bracket have my first long trip. My first long trip. So I had my first long trip. So the sentence is like this: when I was 20 years old, I had my first long trip. Let us now move on to the other one. I visited Leh with a group of friends. One of our plans was, third one, one of our plans was to spend 2 days at a famous tourist resort, the Glenmore. What was a splendid view there, was from the hotel. So there was from the hotel. So this is how you are going to write it down in the copy. We'll now move on to question number D. Raghu and Nishi are discussing something, but the verbs they use do not agree with the subject. So they are discussing something, but in the meantime we need to see that the verbs which they are using, they do not agree with the subjects. Strike out the wrong verbs and correct them. So we are going to strike out the wrong words and correct it. Let's see the first one. The first is already done. We'll move on to the second. Where is the trainer and the players? So actually this would be, where are the trainer and the players? We'll write the next one. None of the players have come yet. So none of the players, this is wrong. So what will be the answer? You will write like this: none of the players has come yet. Number 3. Many children in my apartment is keen to join the class. Many children in my apartment is keen to join the classes. Here you see, many children, but the helping verb which is used here is. So this is wrong. The answer would be, many children in my apartment are keen. So you are going to write are over there. So this way, please do the next. Just like with the latest news, are is there, so instead of are you are going to write is, then rest of the sentence will be as it is. So this is how you are going to do question number D. Let us now move on to the other questions that we have here. Rewrite these sentences correctly. Question number E. Rewrite correctly. First one. Rekha and Mona is swimming in the pool. Rekha and Mona is swimming in the pool. So what is wrong here? Rekha. Okay, two subjects are joined together with and. So it takes a plural, isn't it? It needs a plural verb. So the answer is Rekha and Mona are swimming in the pool. So this is what you are going to write as a correct answer. Now let us move on to the next one. A few of these boys is naughty. A few of these boys is naughty. So it is a wrong. Let us write the correct answer. A few of these boys are. Then write naughty. So this is how you will write. We'll just move on to the next one. Neither Kush nor his brothers are good at sports. So let us write the answer. Neither Kush neither Kush nor his brothers, nor his brothers are good at sports. So when we see, when two subjects, when two subjects, here we have Kush and brothers, when two subjects, how it is, one singular and the other one is plural. So what do? We place the plural subjects in the second place, that means we later, and we use a plural verb. So this is according to the rule. So dear children, I ask you, you need to follow this order, the way I have told you. The wrong sentence you will write in the beginning, then you must correct it. And don't write only the answer, but in the full sentence. So this way you are going to write it down. And remember, question number C, D and E, you are going to write in the copy. And don't simply write only the answer. Remember the instructions and do them correctly. Thank you so much.